Hello and welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be setting up the Active Campaign QSM add-on. And here is a free service that allows you to launch your own disposable WordPress environment. It has amazing free and pro features with plans starting at $9. So go ahead and check out their website. It's instawp.io. Okay, so let's begin. From your WordPress dashboard, click QSM. And if you have not installed the Quiz and Survey Master plugin, there will be a link to a video on the screen and in the description below that shows you how to get started. Once you're on the dashboard, click Extend QSM with Pro add-ons. Okay, so here we have a landing page where we can purchase add-ons as a pack. We can purchase multiple add-ons by selecting one of these plans, or if we scroll down, we can find individual add-ons. So Active Campaign is the first add-on on the left, top left. Click this. Then click Add to Cart. Okay, so here, all you need to do is enter your payment information, and you will receive your license key as well as a link to download your add-on. So now I'm going to show you guys how to set up the add-on. So let's close this window. Okay, so from your WordPress dashboard, hover over Plugins, then click Add New. Click Upload Plugin at the top. So here we can either click this button to browse the file from our computer, or we can simply drag it from our download location to this button right here. Then click Install Now. Wait for it to install. Once it's done, click Activate Plugin. Okay, so we have installed the add-on. Next, we need to hover over QSM on the left, then click Add-on Settings. Next to Active Campaign, click Settings. So I'm going to enter the add-on license key here. Now we need to find both the Active Campaign API URL and the Active Campaign API key. So let's go over to Active Campaign. Click Settings at the bottom left-hand corner. Then click Developer. So here we have the URL and the key. Okay, so let's highlight and copy the URL first. Let's go back to our add-on settings and paste it right here. Let's go back, highlight the key, copy, and paste it here. Once you're done pasting the key, click Save Settings. Okay, so now we need to go over to our quizzes or surveys. Click Quizzes or Surveys on the left. Okay, so I'm going to quickly create a quiz to demonstrate this. And also, there will be a link in the description to a video that shows you how to create your first quiz or survey. So this is just a one-question quiz. Okay, so let's move over to the Active Campaign tab. So here we have some options that we can configure. The first option on this list is Enable Active Campaign Integration for this quiz. So here you can select yes or no, but I'm going to select yes. Next, we have the option to display a checkbox for subscribing, but we also have the option to hide the checkbox for automatic subscribing. So let's leave it as show. Right under this, you can customize the text that gets shown next to the checkbox. You can also subscribe a user to a specific list by accessing this dropdown and selecting the list that you want to use. You can also enforce a minimum score for subscription, so you can enter this right here. Simply type a score in this box here. And you can also configure quiz score mappings by selecting a minimum and maximum score, as well as an active campaign tag. You can add more mappings by clicking this link right here. Don't forget to save your settings once you're done. Just ensure that everything is set up correctly. Okay, so let's preview the quiz. All right, so here we have the subscribe checkbox, as well as our one question quiz at the bottom. Okay, so if this video was helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. See you guys in the next one.